Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. This is Cloud Institution, the best cloud training institution in Bangalore. So today in this video, we're going to see another very important interview question on Route53, which is explain the concept of DNS failover in Route53. So what is the the failover concept works? How does the failover concept works in Route53? So we already seen various routing policies in Route53. So today in this video, we're going to see how the failover concept will work in Route53. Okay, so let's go back to the answer. So the DNS failover is a feature of Route53 that automatically routes the traffic away from the failed resources that healthy to healthy resources based on the health checks. So when Route53 directs the detects the resources is unhealthy, it automatically redirects the traffic to the unhealthy resources. Sorry, healthy resources, right? So let's see how it works in the real time. Okay, for example, this is Route53 and then this is we have a the two different regions. Okay, so now we have two different regions. Okay, if you configure a failover mechanism in Route53, for example, this is Route53, and then this is east, you know, east one. Let's say, for example, this is AP South one. Okay, this is US region, this is Mumbai region, right? So now, so what happens is that Route53 will keep on for example we can also have configure like so we can also configure load balancers inside. Is load balancer is EC2 instances, right? This is load balancer again, and this is EC2 instance. Okay, so this is LB and is EC2 and LB again and EC2. Okay, now what happens is that so whenever the request is coming from the user from here, so Route 53 always check the healthy healthy instances or healthy instance of the load balancer and EC2 instance, right? So using that health checks, it always connect, so check whether the health of this load balancer and the EC2 instance is always available or not. Okay, for example, if the Route 53 finds, so this health checks, the health checks work based on the TTL value, how much hour we are setting. Okay, so based on, for example, if you're setting for 5 minutes, for every 5 minutes go and check whether this load balancer is healthy or not. And similarly this one, right? So it will check whether this load balancer is healthy. So if the load balancer is healthy and the EC2 instance is able to connect to the load balancer, will be able to respond to the traffic to the Route 53, and the Route 53 will be able to respond to the traffic to the user. Then so it will keep on routing the traffic to, the keep on routing the traffic to, okay, the east to west one. So whenever the health check fails from the east to west one region, okay, if something's happened in the availability zone or anywhere something, so what happens is that Route 53 will always automatically configure, the Route 53 traffic, the route the traffic to the AP South 1 region, because the health check is failed over here. Okay, so it automatically route the traffic to the AP South 1. So this is how the failover mechanism works in Route 53. So we can see something is there so how do you configure the failover mechanism in Route 53? For example, this is my um, so this is my hosted zones. In the hosted zones, I'm just hosted cloudtraining.com. Okay, so here what we can do is, if you create a record, there are a lot of routing policies are there. You can see the failover policy. Okay, so the failover policy, we can check the health check ID, and so we can just choose the type and primary or secondary. So whatever the things we can just configure, and then so record ID, so yes, there's load balancer, something like this, right? So you need to configure in a proper way, and you can also set the TTL values, that how much time will take for you to check the failover mechanism to check the health of the instances or load balancers, right? This is how you'll be configuring the failover mechanism in Route 53, right? So this is very important interview questions in terms of interview. If you go for any interview, or if you go for any solution architect examination, this particular question will be asked, that how the failover will be working, and how does it, so how do you handle the failover in Route 53? Okay, so hope you understand this particular question, and please be prepared these kind of questions before going to the interview. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you like to watch more videos like this in the future, please stay tuned with us, and then please subscribe to the channel, and we'll be posting a lot of videos like this in the future. Okay, thank you guys.